How to renew items on your library account. Begin by logging into your library account. You can do this through the Library Accounts button on the library homepage or directly through Omni. For more information, check out our How to Log Into Your Library Account video. Once signed into your account, select My Loans. If you've used Omni to borrow materials from other Omni universities, you may see a list of universities on the left side of the screen. This task icon indicates which schools you are currently borrowing items from. Find the item that you would like to renew by first selecting the university the item is from, and then finding the title in the list. Once you find your checked out item in the list, click on Renew. Your item is now renewed and a new due date will appear. If it does not renew, there may be other factors at play. Don't hesitate to contact us at the library for help. Have questions? Ask us.